The Laura Ashley Portable Blender for Smoothies by VQ brings together sleek design and practicality in a compact, powerful form. If you're looking for a portable solution to whip up your favorite smoothies, shakes, or juices, this blender promises to be a convenient option whether you're at home, the gym, or on the go. The combination of ease of use, strong performance, and stylish design makes it stand out. But does it live up to the expectations for everyday use? Let's take a closer look. This personal blender offers a standout feature right out of the gate: the fact that it's USB rechargeable. With a 1500 mAh battery, it charges fully in just 3.5 to 4 hours, offering the convenience of portability without the need for a constant plug-in. The LED light indicator lets you easily monitor the battery level, so you'll always know when it's time for a quick recharge. Whether you're at the gym or heading out to work, the compact design makes it easy to carry and use wherever you are. Its 450 milliliter bottle size is generous enough to hold plenty of your favorite beverage, but still small enough to fit in a bag or gym locker. When it comes to performance, the Laura Ashley Portable Blender impresses with its powerful 100-watt motor and 6 robust cutter blades. The motor runs at a quick 25,000 RPM, which means it can easily tackle not just fruits and vegetables, but also crush ice for that perfect cold smoothie or protein shake. In real-world use, I found it simple to make everything from fruit smoothies to protein shakes in just seconds. It blended well without leaving chunks, and the blades easily handled frozen berries and even a few ice cubes. One of the most notable aspects of this blender is its one-touch operation. With just the press of a button, you can start blending and get your drink ready in seconds. This feature adds a level of convenience that busy users will appreciate, particularly those who are always on the go and don't have the time for complicated setups. However, it's important to mention that this simplicity also means that it doesn't come with any advanced settings like speed control, which some users might miss for more precision blending. Looking at the design, the Laura Ashley Portable Blender shines with its elegant Elveden White hand-applied floral print. It's a nice touch that gives the device a premium, stylish look. The 450 millimeter capacity is large enough for most drinks, and the screw-fit cap ensures no leaks, even when you're tossing it into a bag or car cup holder. The overall build quality feels solid, and it certainly doesn't look like a cheap gadget. Now, like any product, it does have a few drawbacks. First, the absence of any speed settings can be limiting if you're looking for finer control over your blend. It's a straightforward blender, which means you're stuck with one blending speed, no matter the consistency you need. The compact size also means it's not suited for large batches, so if you're preparing drinks for more than one person, you'll need to blend multiple times. Finally, while the 1500 mAh battery is great for portability, heavy users might find themselves needing to recharge more frequently if they're using it multiple times a day. Value for money is always a big consideration when it comes to portable blenders. The Laura Ashley Portable Blender by VQ retails at a mid-range price, and given its strong performance, ease of use, and stylish design, it offers decent value for what you're paying. In comparison to other compact blenders in this category, like the NutriBullet or Ninja Fit, it may not have the same motor power, but the added benefit of being USB rechargeable and having a premium look might make it worth considering for those who prioritize style and convenience over sheer blending power. Compared to similar products in the market, the Laura Ashley Portable Blender holds its own, though it does have some competition in the space. If you're looking for more power or versatility, some alternatives, like the NutriBullet or the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender, offer more features for a similar price point. However, those options may lack the elegance and portability of the Laura Ashley Blender, so the choice will depend on which factors are most important to you. As for build quality, the materials used feel sturdy, and the overall construction seems designed to last. With the 3-year warranty backing it, there's confidence that VQ has put enough testing into the product for long-term use. However, this is still a relatively new product, so long-term reliability will only be known over time. If you've had any experience with customer support, VQ's reputation is generally positive in this area. They offer a solid warranty and seem to handle issues efficiently. I haven't had any issues with customer service myself, but it's always reassuring to know there's support if anything goes wrong. When it comes to the final verdict, the Laura Ashley Portable Blender by VQ is a solid choice for anyone in need of a compact, stylish, and efficient blender for smoothies, shakes, or juices on the go. While it does have a few limitations, like lack of speed control and smaller capacity, it more than makes up for it in ease of use, portability, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're looking for something to take to the gym, work, or school, this blender will likely serve you well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the Laura Ashley Portable Blender, or if you've already tried it, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with more reviews from Reviewsinsidetv. Goodbye till next time, and remember, smoothies are just a button away.